Uh, so this is another stream. It will be code stream. Small code is there. Small program I have used. I am sure it was long back I have used, but it's time to show you now. Uh, I have referred someone's code obviously, and let's check on that. It is for related to animated scatter plot. I use this particular code for print all outputs, not just last one, because when we use Jupyter Notebook or uh, it always shows the latest output for if there are multiple outputs in that particular code. But in this we can see all the outputs from this one. With this code you have to use every time uh, uh, first in a line, then only it will work. So here we can see second out like second let's run it first. So for second, I used import Plotly Express as PX. This is like inbuilt data set we are using. So there is no need to save data set from our system or device. It is already present in this Plotly library. So and most of the time this particular Gapminder is used for data visualization, because there are related to different continent years, or like time series data is present for this Gapminder data. You can see here like these have columns like country, continent, year, life expectancy, population, GDP per capita, ISO alpha, or means it is just a short form of Afghanistan, I suppose. I think